In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Thinkorswim. Whether you're closing a position or initiating a short sale, the process in the platform is straightforward once you know where to look. Start by navigating to the Trade tab and loading the symbol you want to sell. Use the search field to type the ticker, then confirm you're looking at the correct product, such as stock or futures. Take a second to verify the symbol, the exchange details, and the position size you currently hold if you're closing an existing trade. This quick check helps prevent sending an order for the wrong instrument. From here, you can stage the order using either the active trader ladder or the order entry area at the bottom of the screen. If you prefer the latter, find the column of prices and click a sell price where you want the order to line up. On stocks and futures, clicking a price on the sell side creates a sell ticket instantly, pre-filled with that price level. You can nudge the price up or down if needed before you transmit, which is helpful in fast markets. If you like building the ticket more deliberately, use the order entry tool at the bottom. Click the sell button to create a sell order. Confirm the quantity reflects what you intend to trade, especially if you're closing a partial position. Next, set the order type. Market will seek immediate execution at the best available price, which prioritizes speed over price control. Limit lets you specify the exact price you're willing to accept, giving you control but requiring the market to reach your limit to fill. A stop becomes active only after the trigger price is reached. You can also combine stop and limit for more precise risk control. Choose the order type that matches your intent and the liquidity of the symbol. When everything looks right, click Confirm and Send. A confirmation window will summarize the details, including symbol, side set to sell, quantity, order type, and price. Review carefully for accuracy and make any last adjustments if something doesn't look correct. Once you're confident, submit the order to the market. That's the core workflow. Load the symbol under Trade, create the sell order from either the ladder or the order entry tool, choose your order type, then confirm and send. With a bit of practice, this becomes a quick, reliable routine on Thinkorswim.